Hello, good morning. Welcome to Decision Support System and Business Intelligence. Today we will discuss about the framework of business intelligence. There three-layer architecture and there are three columns: data warehouse environment, business analysis environment, and performance and strategy. We already discussed about this diagram. There are various sources in the data warehouse environment like web browser, SMS, and market vendors, small shopkeepers. From all, we have to collect the information as an technical stuff, and we will store that information into our data warehouse with the help of our business users, and that data can be manipulated according to the need of our business by managers and executives or the business performance management strategies. We can also use some computerized support. Therefore, we require user interface like browser, portal, dashboard. From that, customer also can view the information about our company, as well as our employee can also be view the information about our company, about our product, about all the features of our product. And in future, we can also add another component, additive features in the product, that can be also available in browser, available in the interface or portal of employee or the customers. So if we upgrade our product as like operating system of a mobile phone or the car features, suppose we have developed a basic car in our Toyota company, and now we have added the camera, parking sensor and all component in that, then that feature should be available to customer through the web portal. The information about that, the price and the cost about that product, that all information we have to provide it through the browser with the help of data warehouse, with the help of business user and technical staff. Why? Because we have given the instructions from our manager or executive teams, business performance managing team. They have given us the instructions to give the informations to the customer according to their need, so that this business intelligence framework is used. Is it feasible to you? Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Data warehouse originally included historical data that were organized and summarized. So end user could easily view and or manipulate data and information. Today, some data warehouse include current data as well, so they can provide real decision support. As like we have seen the Amazon's and the Flipkart's web pages, on that they have given all the information, historical data of the product as well as the current information, so that customer can view, customer can see the features, customer can find the width, height, dimensions, display, as well as which are the component are fitted in that, they can see with the help of data warehouse. Why? Because we have kept our information, our product information in that, so they can be few they can find detailed information, and that is helpful to increase the revenue, increase the profit of a company. Business analytics. End user can work with the data information in a data warehouse by using a variety of tools and techniques. These techniques fit into the three categories like reporting and queries, advanced analytics, data, takes, and web mining and other sophisticated mathematical and statistical tools. What will be happen in this business analytics component? There is a technical staff. They handle various tools which we have developed, which the software engineers given to the company. These tools are based on the some mathematical model, are based on some sophisticated mathematical formulas, as well as this tool can provide the report according to the customer query, according to the our employee query, according to the manager query, as well as the company owner's query. These tools can send the information from the database to us or customer. So these advanced analytics techniques are very helpful to make business profitable, that are connected to the data as well as text and web mining. You know, if we search any keyword in the Google search engine, they find detail about that word into the databases, various databases, which are the server connected to the Google search engine. From all that server, that data invoke and show will be visible to us. Why? Because there some text mining and web mining techniques is used. Similar type of a technique we have to use in our business model for analysis purpose in the analytic component, business analytics. How we will do that? With the help of some mathematical techniques, with the help of some logical techniques, with the help of some programming like for loop we have to use if else conditions, we have to use do while, as well as we have to use mean, mode, median, such type of mathematical operations, so that it can be help to us to find out the customer which are more closer to our product, which will be buy our product, which will be support to us to increase revenue of our company. Data mining, a process of searching, extracting for unknown, hidden relationship or the information in large database or data warehouse, using intelligence tools such as neural computing, predictive analytics technique, or advanced statistical method. Means the data mining means searching the information throughout the world. Now we know internet. Internet means the world wide web. Those are the devices connected to the internet. Those are the servers connected to the internet. From all that devices, from all that server, from all that computers, we have to search the information. We will search that if we use these neural computing techniques, predictive analytic techniques, as well as the advanced statistical method. Then we will be able to search the appropriate information which we require. That is the data mining. Is it clear? Is it understand to you? Urosa?
Yes, sir. Yes.
A process of searching for unknown means we don't know the detail about that information. Like suppose we don't know which car will be come in the next month in Aurangabad in Toyota showroom. We don't know about that. If we search the new car coming in Toyota at Aurangabad, this keyword, if we search in the Google search engine will give the detailed information about that hidden information, though we don't know about anything related to that, but that can be get us with the help of Google search engine. Why? There is the intelligence tools are used, as well as there are some neural computing techniques and the predictive analytics techniques are used, so that we can take the information. Why we require predictive analytic techniques? To predict the profit, how much profit will be there if we launch new type of a car in our showroom.
Yes, sir.
Before yes, before launching that, before developing that in the company, we will get the how much customer will buy that car, how much profit we will be cover, we will acquire. That all information we can find with the help of predictive analytic techniques. These techniques are based on the statistical method. We know statistic, we know mathematics. Through that mathematical analysis and statistical technique, we can predict how much profit will be there. That is the data mining. Business performance management and advanced performance measure and analysis approach that embrace planning and strategy. What is business performance management? An advanced performance measurement and analysis approach that embrace planning and the strategy to extend the monitoring, measuring, and comparing of sales as well as profit, cost, probability, and other performance indicators by introducing the concept of management and the feedback. That is the business performance management. Business performance management provide top enforcement of the corporate wide strategy, so that we have to use business performance management for what? Monitoring, measuring, comparing of sales, comparing of profit, comparing of cost, comparing of probability, and other performance indicators by introducing the concept of management feedback. Business performance management are based on the user interface and the dashboard. A dashboard, a visual presentation of critical data from a executive to view. It allows executive to see hotspot in second and explore the situation. There is a very critical views of a product in the Toyota car. We have to show how the safety measures are connected, interior also how looks like in Toyota cars. That we have to show through the dashboard. Is it critical thing? But we have to show that for the business performance management. We have to allow to executive to see the hotspot into our product, like what are the safety measures, how much airbags are there in inside our car. That should be visible through the dashboard with the help of a portal, with the help of the website. That is the business performance management. Dashboard indicator information and the multiple business areas like visualization tools. There are various tools. You know, we can also visualize data with the help of Excel. We can represent a graphical picture in Excel. Similarly, we can also use various tools to visualize the car model, to visualize the interior of a car, to visualize the safety measures of a car, to visualize the dashboard of car. All things we can able to visualize in the web portal's dashboard, so that we will be able to show the features of our product to the customer. Do you know, suppose you see here, if we search Amazon mobile, you see this is the dashboard. You see, in this dashboard we can show the height of this mobile phone as well as the camera view, how the camera is look like. Also, we can show the stick of this mobile phone. You see the front view of this display and the this breadth of this mobile phone we can show with the help of this dashboard. So the dashboard is important to reach to the customer to about the information. Now, style of business intelligence. The architecture of business intelligence depends upon its application. There are 5 styles of business intelligence. Each style have a specific tools: reporting, delivery, and altering. This is the style. How to report, how to deliver our report about our product, means what are the components are available in our mobile phone, in our product, that we have to show to the customer like this. You see, suppose we want to buy this mobile phone. The price of this mobile phone is it visible to you? Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
How much price of this mobile phone is here? 1,04,999.
9999.
This is the cost of this mobile phone, and we have to show the report. We have to show the report of this mobile phone. You see, this is the report. This is the detailed information of this mobile phone. Similarly, we have to show all these about our product, any product like car. You see, the OS is Android, RAM is 12 GB, product dimensions are
16.2.
16.5. Okay, these are the features. These are
Fine.
the features, and we are showing with the help of report representation. We can say this is the report. This is the report of our product. How it's generate? You see, here is RAM 12 GB. This component is important. RAM is 12 GB. Now suppose we want to alter this report, then customer, as an customer, we have to view, we have to alter this data, we have to alter this report. You see now, suppose if we click here, then all these are the information is altered. There were different color, now the color is different. You see, the company of this mobile phone is Samsung. Suppose similar type of a product, if we buy from here, suppose this is the dashboard. Through the dashboard we can alter information. We don't want such costly mobile phone, then we can select from this filter. This is the dashboard, and as a customer we will be alter the information. You see now the price is different and all these features. You see, in last product there were 12 GB RAM, and here is
3 GB.
3 GB RAM. We have altered this information. Similarly, customer should be able to alter the information so that he will be able to buy according to his budget. He will be able to buy the product. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We have to report delivery and alter. Enterprise reporting, dashboard, as well as scorecard. You see, enterprise also we can see from where this mobile phone will be come to us. Sold by STPL executive. Hmm? This is the enterprise is showing this mobile phone to us, and the detail about this information is shown to us with the help of Amazon, Amazon website, Amazon web portal. Who uploaded this information? By this STPL executive enterprise. And also scorecard, how the prices are there are also shown. You see here is the discount, 11,000 discount is there. Similarly, here is also 16% discount is given. That all are shown in the dashboard. Cube analytics. Cube analysis like slice and dice analysis. Ad hoc query. We have to manipulate the queries so that customer can get their budget's mobile phone. Customer can get their requirement. Suppose some customer need the height of mobile phone is a 5 inch, then that should be there. Suppose we are developing the mobile phone whose heights is 5 inch as well as 5.5 inch as well as 6 inch, 6.5 inch, then the customer requirement, customer affordable query should be there. Customer should able to add that query into the analytics model. Then that will be the business intelligence. And statistic and the data mining. There should be a data mining options. You see here in this search box, we can search Redmi. Suppose this mobile phone is very costly. Then we can search another type of a mobile phone by using the data mining. We are mining this word into this web. This Redmi we are mining into this web portal. Therefore, we got these products. We got these devices. Redmi Note Pro, Redmi 9 Prime, all these we got. Similarly, we have to got the car covers. You see, we mine the car covers. We got this type of a car because of their mining. Text mining is enabled. Such type of option we have to add in our mobile in our software. These are the main 5 business intelligence style. The benefit of business intelligence. What are the benefits? The major benefit of business intelligence to a company is the ability to provide accurate information when needed. Whenever customer demand is there, then customers should get the information. Then we can say that is the business intelligence. And also the benefit will be get to the customer about our company, as well as our company can get benefited from the customer. What is the benefit? There are faster, more accurate reporting. Suddenly we can find the detail about that, and all this information is very accurate. Why? Their computer is used, their computerized decision support is used, therefore this all information is very accurate. You see the camera size and the attachment of camera and display size and view of display and width of all this information is very accurate given by the dashboard with the help of decision support system. So we have to use, and we can say this is the business intelligence benefit, business intelligence advantage. Improve the decision making, and customer as well as employee as well as the manager can be able to suddenly take a decision which mobile phone we can buy. You see the price of this mobile phone is very high comparatively. This is 8,000 and this is 1,04,000. So we can suddenly take a decision which is affordable to us, which is the our need. Is there we required 4 GB, 12 GB RAM or 3 GB RAM? We can take a decision with the help of this tool. Therefore, this is the business intelligence. Improve the customer service. As a customer, we can find all the detail about this product and we get very good services, and this is helpful for increase the revenue. Number of customer can be increased with the help of this technique, and in with minimum employment, minimum employee should be required in our company if we provide such type of a dashboard, such type of a portal in our company. No need to provide all information manually to the customer. Customer can search their information with the help of search engine, and information automatically will reach to him with the help of this portal. Therefore there no need to manual interference, no need to give manual information through the employee. There that will be help to increase the revenue. Now see the decision support system and business intelligence connection. What is the relation in decision support system and business intelligence? The architecture is very similar since the business intelligence involved from decision support system. Decision support system are constructed to directly support specific decision making, and business intelligence system are geared to provide accurate and timely information, direct support. You see, decision support system construct direct support, and business intelligence system geared to provide accurate information directly. decisions in decision support system, we have to construct something, we have to program, we have to use devices, we have to use interfaces. All that is the decision support system, and the output of that decision support system in the form of report means the business intelligence. Though we have a decision support system, but there may not be business intelligence if we not provide appropriateness into that, and if we not use that technology there in our company, then that business will not be business intelligence. Business intelligence has an executive and strategy oriented, while the decision support system have been oriented towards the analysis, which is the strategy which plannings we have made in our business. That is the business intelligence. And decision support system, which technology, which planning we have done to show something on our website, on our portal. All that technology is the decision support system, like computer, camera, internet, hard disk. All these sensor are the decision support system and the tools to show that. And business intelligence is the dashboard. Through that, customer can see the product as well as product picture, product color. All this is the business intelligence. Price of product is shown into the report. Feature of product are shown into the one particular inventory. That is the business intelligence. The decision support system and business intelligence connection. The business intelligence system are constructed with commercially available tools and components that are fitted to the needs of organization. And decision support system, more programming is used to construct the customer solution to very construct problems. Means we have purchased some product, some tools to for our business, to business intelligence, and we are using these tools means the decision support system, and the output we are taking from that tools, decision support system tools, is the business intelligence. Decision support system were developed mostly in academic world, and business intelligence were developed mostly in the software company. You know, generally we have all tools available in the colleges in academic field. In academic field we are using the Java programming, we are using .NET technology, as well as we are using PHP, we are using camera, computer. But there is not intelligent system. Similar type of tools are there in the software company, but they make a product. That is the business intelligence, because their use is very proper. Everyone is use the tool and take the output from that tools in the company. But in colleges we are just showing the use of that tools, use of that software. Therefore this is the decision support system, and in company is it is the business intelligence. Many tools used by the business intelligence are also considered decision support system tools. Example, data mining and predictive analysis. Many people, many tools, data mining and predictive technique, we can say this is the decision support system, as well as we can say the business intelligence. Data mining is the business intelligence as well as decision support system. Management support system, a system that applies any type of decision support tool or technique to managerial decision making. work system, a system in which human participants or machine performance a business process using information technology and other resources to produce the product and or services for internal and external customers. That is the work system of a business intelligence and decision support system. What is the work of decision support system and business intelligence? A system which human participants and or machine performance of a business. Just a minute. Hello. आता नाही थोड्या वेळाने लेक्चर आहे. A system in which human participants, machine performance, business processes, information, technology, resources, product, services, and internal external customers. That all is the work system of decision support system and the business intelligence system. A work system usually have a 9 element. Each of these elements can be varied or modified to provide the better decision quality. Business process, first one. Second is the participants. Third one, information, better information, quality available or presentation. Fourth, technology, better data storage and retrieval, algorithm or statistical capabilities, product and services, customers, infrastructure, more effective use of shared infrastructure, environment, and strategy. These are the work system usually have. These elements can be varied or modified to provide better decision quality. As a manager, we have to keep in mind all these 9 components should be used to decision support system to make a better decision. All we have to bring into the workflow means business. What is the business process? Which are the participant in our business like employee, customer, manager, company owner, shareholder, all are the participants of a business. All are the participants of the work system. And the information, which type of information is there, better information, quality information, availability of information to the customer, to the employee, to the manager, presentation of that information to the customer, from the customer to the manager, from the customer to our employee, from employee to manager. All that information should be shareable to the everyone. And the technology, better technology should be there, better data storage should be there. All the customers data we have to store into the particular storage, and that should be retrieved when necessary within a second. Which customer, which car is required, that information we have to search with the help of algorithm and the statistical capabilities. Then we can say this is the decision support system. And the products available into our company, which are the products like books, like any hardware, like software, like other resources, other electronic components. All that should be there. And services about that product, like when that product should be reached to the customer should know before find that product into directly in our company, that should know to him with the help of this decision support system, with the help of portal, with the help of web. so that we can say that is the business intelligence. Their customers should be connected to the decision support system and the infrastructure. More effective use of share infrastructure means there are only the one computer is there in our shop or in our company, then all the information is to be stored on that computer and that can be accessible to anyone, any employee, any customer from our company. So the infrastructure should be shared. Suppose there is a very costly machine we have taken for color to the cars, that machine should be shared to every employee so that they can use that instrument, use that machine to make business success. That is the business intelligence and decision support system. And environment should be healthy. We have to find the information from environment and improve our company, improve our product with the help of environmental changes of customer demands, like that. And the strategy according to the customer need, according to the environmental factors, according to the government resolutions, we have to make the proper strategy about the product. That is the business intelligence and decision support system. Now see the customized tools and decision support system. There are some customized tool like data management, communication and collaboration, reporting, status tracking, visualization, business analytics, strategy and performance management, intelligence system and enterprise system. These are the tools we can use into the business for decision support system. Data management. We have to use some data management tool. Sorry. There may be a question, what are the computerized tools for decision support system? Then you have to write this data management
Yes,
and,
sir.
and data communication and collaboration. Customer should be communicate to the our company executive, marketing executive, as well as manager from the remote place with the help of mobile phone, with the help of computer, with the help of any website. So that will be the computerized decision support system tool like WhatsApp, Facebook. You see there are various advertise on the Facebook. Why? Because Facebook is used as a decision support system, communication, collaboration tool. Similarly, reporting status and tracking. If we want to sell the product through online, then customer should be able to see our product and to whom our product is search and view. That should be known to us. That is the report and the status of tracking. How much products view by customer. That report should be generated. That is the business intelligence tool and decision support system tools. Visualization. Data should be visualized in all the dimensions. Product should be visualized in all the dimensions like interior, exterior, color, back side, front side of the product. That all should be visualized into the dashboard. Then we can say visualization is also the decision support system tool. Business analytics is also the tool. We have to make analysis how much product will be sold in 2021, in 2022, in 2023, how much product will be sell from our company, and how much product we will be develop, we will be produce into the market. That is the business analytics tools can do. Strategy and performance management. With the help of these
सर आप
market.
ये कर ले सकते क्या? क्योंकि हमारा अभी दूसरा स्टार्ट हो जाएगा 5
अच्छा
मिनट
ठीक
से।
है. Okay, today we will stop. If you have any doubt, you can ask anytime.
नो सर।
Okay, then thank you very much. Have a nice day.
थैंक यू सर, प्लीज।